Hello, Wookie. Hello, welcome to a new episode. So, today, as you would have been able to tell from the title, I am doing an unboxing on something very good indeed. So, yes, here is the package from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below, and let's not miss about. Let's crack on. Let's get out my trusty knife and cut this bad boy open. Okay, here we go. And oh, careful, careful. Nearly there. Cut through the card. Right, pop the knife away. So here we go. I bet you there's going to be a load of Amazon packaging in here. Not too much. A little bit of paper. That's it. Amazon, you go careful. We don't want that. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so first things first. We don't want this, do we? We'll throw that over there. What we want is this. Okay, let's get it out of the plastic. Get it out of here. Here it is. Now, apparently, it comes with batteries. So, hello, Wookie. Oh my god, what's this? Just in case you can't hear it, oh my god, this is so cool. I've got to get this out of this packaging. I need my knife again. Close that back up. Okay. Now, how simple is this going to be to get out? They have a tendency to put a lot of this that has to wrap around the other. Okay, so we've got this baby out first. Sorry, Chewy. Fingers in your eyes. Some stuff here which does it have English on it somewhere? Oh yes, right here. Caution, batteries, blah blah. Yeah, that's fine. What else is in here? Let's see. We've got another warning. Don't want that. Something else. Don't want that. And oh, Star Wars: The Force Awakens Chewbacca. Oh, instructions here for the batteries. So, anything else I need to know? How it works? We adjust the straps. Oh, okay, so you adjust the straps. It's a bit like, I don't know if you've ever worn a hat to wear like a hard hat or something like that. There's plastic straps inside. It seems to be a similar sort of thing. We don't want that. Okay. Ah, nice and simple. Will it let me just undo it? I wonder. Okay, so I've got it all out of this packaging. Here it is. I've adjusted the strap. So I've got it at its largest point, it looks like. Definitely made for a children's head. Not sure if it's going to fit on mine, but we shall soon see. So let's get it. Oh, make sure the battery cover's on properly. Let's get it on. Okay, so it's quite tight in here, as you can tell, but if I wear it like this, it's not too bad. So if I open up my mouth, apparently, as you can hear, just have to open up my mouth a little bit and it makes little noises. But if I do this, Oh, this is hilarious. I'm looking at myself. It looks so funny. Oh, so yes, this is a very good thing to be wearing. Oh my god. This is hilarious. Oh my god. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a little bit tight inside on my big head. It does press down on my head a bit up here, but that's fine. I'm sure I can just stick a bit of padding in there or something. But yeah, this is hilarious. It's really funny, really cool. I can see why people love to buy this. I need to make an adult size one so people don't hurt their head, or maybe make sure you put on there that if you've got a big head like me, it may not be that comfortable, but I don't care. I'm going to put it back on and have some fun. So anyway, that's it for the unboxing of this wonderful, very cool mask, and so I'll let Wookie take it away, and I'll see you next time.